Create a new customer. Hover over Structure on the main menu and select Customer Menu option. Click on the New button. Fill in the company name, contact person, contact number, fax number, email address, mobile contact number, Skype name, account number, physical and postal address. Click on the Insert button. Edit an existing customer. Hover over Structure on the main menu and select Customer Menu option. Select the customer from the drop-down list. Click on the Edit button. Edit the required field. Click on the Update button.